canola oil. This is just a marinade. You don't want to waste olive oil. Olive oil, I like to use it if you're going to eat it, cook with it. So I'm going to put in about a quarter of a cup of canola oil. And a lemon. I'm going to take about a half a lemon. Okay. Next, we're going to put just a splash of white wine. And our famous Lee and Pepperins Worcestershire sauce. Just a couple of dashes there. And I'm going to put, I'd say about a teaspoon or so of white pepper. Same thing, about a teaspoon or so of salt. And we have this nice stone ground Dijon mustard. Basically going to take a scoop like that, just pop it in there. I'm going to go with some ginger and just about a teaspoon, not a lot. We'll put a half a teaspoon of ginger. The cumin, about a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Hit our curry now, and we want a full tablespoon. And that's pretty much it, so we're going to give it a shot. Oh boy, wow, does that smell good. And that's going to go over our chicken. And me, I'm going to add a little bit more oil, just so I can coat a little bit better. Maybe just a little bit more wine, so it's not as thick. White wine, using white wine. Okay. Much better. Okay, so now I'm going to butterfly these chicken breasts so they absorb the marinade better and put them in the container. I'll pour that over the mixture over it. That's what the marinade looks like. Consistency, oh god, does that smell awesome. So I'll be cutting up the rest of those and pouring it over the top. Okay, so there's the chicken with the marinade. And I'm just going to cover this and put it in the fridge, let it marinate overnight. And tomorrow night I'll do it up on the grill. But oh my god, does that smell good. That curry is phenomenal. Okay, so we got the curry chicken on there. And you can see how it picked up that nice yellow curry with the mustard flavor. And I'm putting on the rest of the sauce. Got that on there. Works for me. Throw it in, scoop it up, put it back on the fire. Oh yeah, baste that in. And just want to get those pieces in the back. Okay, you can tell the grill likes that marinade. It flames it up good. Which is okay. We want it to sear it so that the chicken stays nice and moist on the inside. So that'll come off in about another minute, and then we'll have dinner. And I got that nice curried marinated chicken that I just did the chicken breast, did those on the grill. Okay, so Wolfie's joined us. Yeah, let's see how he likes this. Okay, Wolfie, it's ready for you. You like it? Oh, he's going back for more. Yeah. Oh, he likes it. Tasty, huh? Nice. Enjoy, Wolfie.